We are exploring Soco Falls right off the Blue Ridge Parkway in North Carolina. Soco Falls is located right off of Highway 19 in North Carolina, just short of the Blue Ridge Parkway. So this is a must-do if you're driving the Blue Ridge Parkway. And it's only about a 10-minute drive away from Maggie Valley, right in the heart of North Carolina. And it's easy to miss. So if you're coming from Maggie Valley, the signage is very modest. And then the parking lot is right off of the main road. And if you're coming from Cherokee, there's no sign at all. So you have to kind of look for this parking lot that will be on your right-hand side coming east. And it's only big enough to hold about 10 to 12 cars, I would say. And from the satellite view, you get a feel for the walk down to the observation deck, as well as the trail that takes you on down to the base of the waterfall itself. The observation deck is only a short 5-minute walk from the parking lot, so should be easy enough for just about everybody to do it. And then we're going to show you that the trail on down to the base of the waterfall is a little trickier, very slippery, and it only has a rope for a railing. So do be careful, but the views from the bottom are just incredible. From the observation deck, you can really see how these two rivers come together to form this beautiful waterfall. So here's how we get down to the base of the waterfall. Instead of taking that right to go towards the observation deck, you'll see this pathway to your left. And this is where you only can get down by rope. So this is where it gets very dangerous, or at least it can be. So you want to wear good shoes so you have good footing. Some people even had gloves to hang on to that rope. It was a little difficult coming back out, so just be aware of that. But the payoff at the bottom, wow, it's just spectacular down there. And it's a must-do if you're agile enough to take it all in. While the creek at the top of the waterfall looks inviting, they do caution anybody from getting in that creek. They have had several fatalities from people slipping on that creek and going right over the waterfall itself. So do be careful, but it's so enjoyable to take it all in. It's very beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this look at Soco Falls. And if you did, give us a thumbs up down below. And certainly we hope you check it out if you're anywhere near the Blue Ridge Parkway. And more importantly, we would love it if you subscribed to the channel and came along with us on all of these adventures. And until next time, get out there and camp, travel, and explore.